Have you ever come across an online store that looks too unique to ignore, but leaves you wondering if it's actually safe to shop there? That's exactly the case with Rococity.com, a website that claims to specialize in handmade, made-to-order clothing for both men and women, with collections inspired by Japanese art, natural linen styles, and quirky-themed apparel that definitely catch attention. At first glance, the site feels creative and gives off the vibe of being a small, family-run brand rather than a mass-market retailer, which can be appealing to those looking for something different from mainstream fashion. Rococity.com was registered in November 2023, so it's still relatively new in the online shopping world, which naturally raises a few questions about its long-term reliability and customer trust. On the positive side, they do have over 19,000 followers on Facebook, and that does suggest some level of engagement and interest from real people. But social media numbers can sometimes be misleading, so that alone doesn't guarantee credibility. Their catalog is wide, offering everything from minimalistic linen clothing to bold Japanese art-inspired prints, which could make it a tempting place to shop if you're into niche fashion. However, the fact that it's a small business also means shipping times might vary, returns could be a bit tricky, and product consistency isn't as easy to guarantee compared to big-name brands. Some shoppers might see the handmade aspect as a sign of quality and care, while others could view it as a potential risk if the items don't turn out exactly as expected. Overall, Rococity.com sits in a gray area. It's not a scam based on the information available, but it's also not a store that has built a solid track record yet. If you're curious, it might be worth trying cautiously with a smaller order, but whether it's truly worth your trust is still something only real customer experiences will prove over time.